It's a long flight from Boston to San Antonio, and it took most of a day just getting there, with 2 stopovers. But now, let's enjoy the city.
Welcome to San Antonio!
Well, this is what I came to see, San Antonio's famous Riverwalk. America's Venice is assuredly San Antonio, with its marvelous Riverwalk. There are really 2 cities in one here. A street-level city with hotels, theaters, attractions of all kinds, and a river-level city with lively restaurants, clubs, and beautiful gardens. The Riverwalk has grown to an 8-mile course, and it now encompasses not only the downtown area, but spreads out to a meandering woodland and even to 4 Spanish colonial missions. The visitor could spend hours of blissful joy just meandering along the riverbanks, or taking a tourist boat for a leisurely ride. We covered San Antonio's Riverwalk in the first Let's Visit San Antonio program. But it's such a fabulous place, I think it only fitting to visit it again. This is truly a marvelous part of San Antonio. The San Antonio Riverwalk is a network of walkways bordering the San Antonio River. The initial idea of this project began after a disastrous flood of the river in 1921. They decided to add a floodgate upriver and a dam downriver, thus assuring a safe level of water as it passed through the downtown area. Major plans for the project were formulated in 1929, but it wasn't until 1938 that the San Antonio River Beautification Project began for real. The Riverwalk winds and twists with 2 parallel sidewalks connected at several points by stylized bridges. When night falls, the Riverwalk takes on a whole new look. It's almost magical as the lights bounce off the river water. The walkway extends through the city 1 level below the street level. Restaurants, hotels, businesses, museums, and casinos constructed their buildings with 2 first floors, one on the walkway level and one at street level. Most restaurants now offer dining facilities along the Riverwalk. Over the years, the walkway has been extended to include the city's 5 Spanish colonial missions, including the Alamo. Before we leave, let's take a final look at the great city of San Antonio, Texas. sure hope you enjoyed this travelogue on San Antonio, Texas. It was a lot of fun being here, and the people down here are absolutely fantastic. So until I see you again on the next Let's Visit show, this is Dave Welsh saying au revoir.